Good morning, all. Our first card is hello and goodbye. And they say you'll soon see that this change will make things better. It's hello to the new and goodbye to the old. Our fortune teller card with that is a powerful transformation is underway. Trust the process. Put yourself first. Make yourself a priority. You are worthy of everything that's coming to you. It's time to collaborate with others where there's obstacles that you are not overcoming so easily. But be careful of greed. Set good, healthy boundaries around yourself. The next unicorn card is listen to your true feelings. Don't let others coerce you into doing things you know that are wrong. There is a new chapter is beginning. Embrace the change. Be honest with yourself as far as or with somebody that is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. You are never alone. Their justice will come. Just be patient with them. They will work it out on their own time. Archangel Michael says that you can be free, make courageous choices to change your situation. There is opportunity and windfalls coming your way. Then Archangel Raphael says, be gentle, loving, dreaming, and open hearted. You are in a position of authority over your own life. You are ready for the changes. Where there's dissatisfaction in life, it's normally got to do with money. Turn your back and walk away, knowing there's nothing more you can do about the situation. Take a leap of faith and restore your inner peace and love. This will bring you stability. And our loved ones want us to know about that it's time for family harmony. Your loved ones form a strong pillar of support. Embrace their love and put past issues behind you. Have a good day. I love you all.